Hello entrepreneurs, and welcome once again to our channel. Today we are looking at how small, medium and also micro-sized enterprises leverage digital marketing to boost their sales. You and I can agree on one thing, that sales remain one of the most important functions for any business, be it a service business, a business that's selling product, whatever kind of business you are running out there. Sales remain a critical to ensure business success and sustainability over a longer period of time. So that's why in this video we are going to dive deep into some of the most prominent digital marketing strategies that you can use to boost your sales. Now please take note that in this video we are going to focus mostly on the practical side of digital marketing. There's just a little bit of theory in there. We're looking at case studies, real life scenarios of how some of the small, medium and also micro enterprises have used digital marketing tools and applied strategies that have brought them the success that has put them where they are right now. This is results-oriented preparation. I'm your host, Kenneth, and thank you for tuning in. Do remember to like the videos, share, as well as subscribe, especially if you are new on this channel. Remember, your subscription helps us grow and it also helps us bring you the best of the best in terms of content in this category. The first one is social media marketing. Social media platforms are gold mines for converting with customers and building brand awareness. Now we are talking here of platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, which is now called X, and all the other platforms that you are spending a lot of time on. Now let's look at the first case study which used social media to boost their sales. The business is called Brewed Awakening coffee shop. Their biggest challenge was low foot traffic. The solution was Instagram campaign. Now in their Instagram campaign, their main features were daily specials, which were posted on the channel on a day-to-day basis, customer testimonials, as well as behind the scenes content. Now as customers put testimonials and images and videos of them spending time at this particular coffee shop, now it became a hotspot, especially for younger people wanting a place where they could socialize. So as such, in time, these are some of the results that the coffee shop experienced. Exploding follower count, large increase in customers, transformation to a local hotspot. And the key takeaway in this is engaging authentic content can create a thriving community around your brand. The second one is content marketing. Now I think you and I can agree on this, that if you are creating valuable content, now you become an authority on that particular subject. There are a lot of people out there who are looking for someone who has got an authoritative voice in a particular section. It could be in media, it could be in whatever business you are running. If you produce content that can prove that you're an authority in that particular field, then chances are that you will generate a lot of sales. Now let's look at the case study that relates to this particular strategy in digital marketing. The business in point is Eco Home Sustainable Products. The strategy that they used was they started a blog on eco-friendly living. Their content including giving living tips, DIY projects, results, increased website traffic, higher conversion rates, as well as improved customer retention. The key takeaway in this was providing value through content positions you as an industry expert and drives sales. The third one is a search engine optimization, briefly known as SEO. Now this is growing to become one of the most important digital marketing tools that each and every firm needs to apply in their marketing strategy. Search engine optimization includes optimizing online presence in order to make sure that potential customers find you easily. Now, the case in point here is tech, gadget, electrical, startup. Their approach was keyword optimization, informative product descriptions, as well as improved site navigation. And these are the results that they achieved: higher search rankings, a surge in online visibility, as well as significant increase in sales. The key takeaway for SEO is a well-executed SEO strategy can transform your online presence and drive organic growth. Let's look at the last one, which is data analytics. Remember, these are not the only digital marketing tools that you can apply, but for this video we are focusing only on those four. The last one is data analytics. This tool involves leveraging data analytics in order to help you understand your customers and make informed decisions. It goes without saying that decision making has to be based on a very firm foundation. Now, a lot of businesses go ahead and make decisions without any information or data to back up the decisions that they make. So as a result, you find that whatever strategies that they're applying end up not working, and that can result in huge losses because you are probably hitting at a tangent. Let's quickly look at a case in point. The business is called Fashion Forward Clothing Brand. In their strategy, they utilized website analytics to track customer behavior. And then the actions that they took was they identified popular products, adjusted inventory based on trends, and optimized for peak seasons. And some of the results that they got were pretty amazing, including maximized sales during high demand periods, improved customer satisfaction, as well as reduced excess inventory. Now, the key takeaway in this is that data-driven decisions will always boost sales. You can use a combination of these in your organization depending exactly on the results that you want. Digital marketing in recent years, especially now in the fourth industrial revolution, has seen massive applications to achieve a lot of objectives for any business. Now, some businesses are looking for maybe growth in terms of numbers of followers on their social platforms. Others are looking for a bigger market share and so forth. But it goes without saying that sales remain one of the most important strategies that any business can pursue. So these strategies above can help you increase your sales in any given type of market, and you can choose which tools you want to apply. You can use all of them at once, or you can choose one that you best suit the conditions and the environment in which you are operating. Sometimes also the difference maker could be the breadth and the length of your target audience, and digital marketing. It will help you even reach those clients which were previously out of range for you. Please leave a comment on which digital marketing tools you are hoping to use, and which ones have you tried, and the kind of results that you got. Let's grow this discussion on this channel. I hope that you like the video. Please leave a comment and any suggestions. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. We appreciate all your efforts in promoting this channel. This is results-oriented preparation. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.